Hello everyone, today we will visit Vatican City, an independent city-state enclaved within Rome. It is the smallest country in the world, with a total area of approximately 44 hectares and a population of around 800 people. So join me as I will be going to the top of the St. Peter's Basilica first. Thank you. So I did the first part with the elevator because I didn't want to walk up more than 500 stairs. Now it's still more than 300, so it's still enough. Yeah, so here we are. Beautiful. On our way to the dome. So let's climb some stairs. It's so amazing to be up here, you know, almost ready to climb the dome. The dome is over there. Beautiful. Did you know that it took 120 years to complete the St. Peter's Basilica? Impressive, right? It was completed in the year 1626, and yeah, it's an amazing sight, you know. Look at this. Now I'm getting ready to climb this dome to enjoy a view from over there. What a view we will have here on the top of the dome. And look here, the inside of the church. So beautiful. Unfortunately, you have these fences, so not the best picture. And look at those mosaics. So beautiful. So this is the real view you get here behind these fences. So not the best view. But I'm in love with these beautiful mosaics. Look how shiny they are. So very nice view from the top of the dome. Over there we have the Vatican museums, St. Peter's Square, within the far Sant'Angelo's castle. Yeah, it was worth it climbing all those stairs to get the 360-degree view over the Vatican and a part of Rome. So let's enjoy it. The view from the top of St. Peter's Basilica's dome is absolutely breathtaking. The top of the dome offers a stunning panoramic view of Rome and its surrounding areas. From this vantage point, you can see many of Rome's famous landmarks. Well, that was a good workout. In total, 300 stairs up, 300 stairs down.
Let's get some free drinking water. Need to push and hold. This will be difficult. Well, that's refreshing. Holy water from Vatican City.
It is now time to make my way to the St. Peter's Basilica, the largest church in the world, which can accommodate up to 20,000 people. Its interior is adorned with stunning works of art, including Michelangelo's Pieta and Bernini's Baldachin.
Wow, what an amazing basilica. Inside you have so many masterpieces from the Baroque and Renaissance time period, like for example the statue over here, Michelangelo's Pieta from 1499. It's the only statue ever to be signed by Michelangelo. So it's over here. Very nice. And yeah, look at this church, or better basilica. It's like everywhere decorated with paintings. Like, look at the ceiling, beautiful. The statues everywhere. Wow, what an amazing place. So what I didn't told you about Michelangelo's Pieta is that it actually shows the dying body of Jesus into the arms of Mother Mary after the crucifixion. Wow, what an amazing place. And look at that altar. Wow. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful here, the St. Peter's Baldachin over the main altar over here. It's a bronze canopy placed over the high altar, and it's really beautiful. It was designed by Bernini, you know, the famous master who designed a lot of sculptures around this amazing city here in Rome. And look at the details, so beautiful.
St. Peter's Basilica is considered one of the holiest places in the world. It was designed by some of the greatest architects and artists of the Renaissance and Baroque periods, including Michelangelo, Gian Lorenzo Bernini, and Bramante. The St. Peter's Basilica is widely regarded as a masterpiece of architecture and art. The Basilica is also home to many other treasures, including the chair of St. Peter and numerous chapels and altars.
So here we have a list of all the popes. We have still a lot of space there. Why it isn't updated? They still need to update it. So that was a beautiful visit to the St. Peter's Basilica. Now let's take a look at St. Peter's Square, which is right in front of us. Look at this. Beautiful, right? The moon is already there. The statues at the top of the galleries. Look at those guards here in their colorful uniforms. They're actually from the Swiss Guard, an armed force, 135 people strong or something like that. And they protect the Pope and the Apostolic Palace, which is over there, right over there, where on Sunday he comes to greet the people who are gathering here on the square. Really nice. Oh yeah, I will tell you something more about the guards. So in case you want to join the Swiss Guard, you need to be male, unmarried, between the age of 18 and 30, and Swiss Catholic, and also have completed basic training with the Swiss Armed Forces. So that's a lot of requirements. I, for example, cannot do that anymore because I'm too old, I'm too weak, I'm too crazy, and not Swiss Catholic. So yeah. I'm now walking here on the St. Peter's Square, right in front of the St. Peter's Basilica, and it's such a beautiful square with right here in the middle an ancient Egyptian obelisk. Very beautiful. It's around 40-meter high, and it's from the 1st century AD, and it was brought back here to Rome by the Emperor Caligula. Wow, what an impressive square. So right here now we have this beautiful Christmas tree. Beautiful, right? And actually, if you are here on a Sunday in Vatican City, you can actually see the Pope, because at 12 o'clock he will come out of that window over there of the Apostolic Palace. Right over there, the second window at the top on the right side. And yeah, you can see him, which I think is a quite nice experience when you are in this area.
As we leave Vatican City, we come across the impressive Sant'Angelo's castle, which was originally built in the 2nd century AD as a mausoleum for the Roman Emperor Hadrian. In front of the castle we have Sant'Angelo's Bridge, a picturesque bridge that spans the Tiber River.
This is one of the most beautiful bridges here in Rome, the Angel's Bridge. Look at this, connecting the castle of Sant'Angelo with the city center. And you can see these beautiful statues on the bridge. There are 5 of them at each side, all designed by Bernini. Only 2 of them were actually made by him, and the 8 others were made by his students. The 2 originally made by him are not here, but are located somewhere else and were replaced by a copy. But it's really nice and an amazing castle. I will see if I have the time to visit it, maybe later on this trip. But what a view! Oh. So what a great day we had today, visiting the Vatican Museum, so beautiful, the Sixtine Chapel, the Raphael rooms. Wow, what an amazing sight. The artwork they have there gave me an overload. I'm so tired, but it was worth it for 100%. And then, oh, amazing, climbing the dome there with the view over Vatican City and Rome, visiting the Basilica. Wow, amazing. Well, I guess this was it for today, and see you guys again on another journey. Take care, guys. Cheers.